drama, we be mobbing, coming quick fast. Tell them I got problems, my niggas riding like a Six Flags. GMC tinted up, they looking like who that? Staring at my cubies to say I'm fine with my rich ass. Ha. Used to wear starters, now it's Neiman Marcus. Blow a bag, get a bag, that's a hustler talking. I be really outside when I ain't in the office. Approach with caution when I'm talking, I'm not an easy target. I be in the field in Beverly Hills. I ain't got a lot of patience, what I face is real. The gang busting down the sill, trying to eat a meal. The homie Sueño told me chill, he don't need me killed. The haters want me like I'm 5-star luxury. As I'm riding around in black skin, feeling comfortably. Doing better now, what the fuck you really want from me? I want what good intentions, why you ain't got no love for me? Ha.
Way down on you. Way down on you. Way down on you.
I promised my mama that I'ma do it better, but I broke a promise, couldn't get it together. In my mind I'm a millionaire, so I'ma get it there. My family tried to X me out the square, but I don't give a damn. My so-called friends counted me out, so I had to count me in. As I begin in your top 10s, I'm fighting these gins. So good karma, it's like good armor. I'm known to be a good charmer. Fuck a hoe, I'm not a farmer, but besides the face, that's just a trait that I get from my father. So I'm bothered, I'm ducking problems, no longer a novice. For a second, just be honest, I'm only here for dollars. But from my mama, I got a conscience, I'm a man of honor. Been around a lot of trauma, look, I'm not a doctor. Mom, the streets raised your son, but I'm not Mufasa. I don't want to catch a hot one, so I don't carry problems. Will I make it out tomorrow? I'm so sorry, mama.